Welcome to SmartLife Solutions, your guide to a productive and balanced life. In a world where time is the most precious commodity, we're here to help you make the most out of every second. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a student, or a busy parent, we believe everyone can benefit from smart planning and effective time management. Let's embark on this journey together and transform your everyday life into a harmonious symphony of productivity. So sit back, grab a notebook, and prepare to take the first step towards a smarter, more efficient life. In today's video, we'll be exploring the concept of productivity using a simple yet powerful analogy, the busy bee. So, let's dive in, shall we? Imagine you're a busy bee, a diligent worker zipping around from flower to flower with no clear plan. You're exhausted, aren't you? Welcome to buzzing world of productivity, where each day is a new garden of opportunities waiting to be pollinated with your hard work and efficiency. Productivity, at its core, is the sweet nectar of accomplishment that we all strive to collect. But often we find ourselves buzzing aimlessly, wasting precious energy. That's where our bee analogy fits in. Without clear goals and a plan, we resemble our bee friend, darting around aimlessly from task to task and ending up more worn out than productive. Does that sound familiar? If so, it's time to turn things around. It's not productivity if important tasks are left untouched amidst chaos. So, what's the solution? Well, it's simple. Our bee friend needs a pollen map, a clear plan of which flowers to visit, in what order and when. In the same way, we need to set clear goals for ourselves and make a to-do list. Consider it as your own personal pollen map. This list should be the first thing you create every morning. Prioritize your tasks based on their and deadlines. Break larger tasks into smaller, more manageable parts. Remember, it's not about how many flowers you visit, but about the quality of nectar you collect. Just like our busy bee, you'll find yourself zipping through your day, accomplishing tasks with ease and saving your energy for the tasks that matter most, with a clear plan and prioritized tasks. So, don't be a willy-nilly, busy bee. Be a smart bee, set clear goals, and create a to-do list. The world of productivity is a garden waiting to be explored. So get your pollen map ready, and let's get buzzing. You know what's more distracting than a kangaroo in your backyard? Your phone notifications. They're like those relentless flies at a Barbie, aren't they? Always buzzing, always demanding attention. But here's the thing. To boost productivity, you've got to eliminate these distractions. So put your phone on silent. Close those pesky, unnecessary tabs on your computer and carve out a dedicated workspace. It's about creating a distraction-free zone where your focus can thrive. So put that your phone on silent and focus on the task at hand. Ever tried to catch a kangaroo in a hurry? That's what poor time management feels like. To avoid this, implement the Pomodoro technique. Imagine each task as a smaller, less intimidating wallaby. Work on it for 25 minutes, then take a short break. This keeps your mind fresh and prevents burnout. Also, designate specific time blocks for different tasks to maintain a structured schedule. It's like setting up a kangaroo daycare. Each one gets its own playtime. Remember, chasing after time like a wild kangaroo won't do you any good. Manage it wisely. If you've been enjoying this productivity journey with us so far, much like a kangaroo leaping across the outback, why not take a moment to hit that subscribe button? It's a small gesture that would mean the world to us. And if you're finding these tips helpful, why not give this video a thumbs up? Your likes and comments help us create more content tailored just for you. So go ahead, take that leap, hit those buttons, and join us on this adventure across the productivity wilderness. Your support enables us to continue making more videos like this for YouTube. You wouldn't run a marathon without training, would you? The same goes for your mind and body when it comes to productivity. Just like a well-oiled machine, our bodies need proper care to function at peak efficiency. A good night's sleep is your body's natural tune-up, and regular exercise is the premium fuel it craves. Don't forget about nutrition. Eating balanced meals is like giving your body the right parts for smooth operation. So, train your body and mind like you're preparing for a marathon. Remember, you're not a one-man band playing at a concert. Delegation is key. Just as a conductor entrusts each musician with a part in the symphony, so must you delegate tasks to others. This isn't you shirking your duties. It's about playing to everyone's strengths, freeing up your time and energy for tasks that truly require your expertise. Think of it as a game of hot potato, passing tasks around until they land where they're best suited. So share the load. Remember, even the best one-man band needs a break. Ever seen a dog do tricks for treats? Yeah, rewards work on humans too. When we hit a productivity home run, it's crucial to celebrate that victory lap, no matter how small. It's like giving yourself a high five or a pat on the back. Take a short breather, indulge in your favorite chocolate bar, or do something that makes your heart sing. These little rewards act as fuel, keeping our motivation engine running smoothly. So don't forget to treat yourself. You've earned it. So there you have it, folks. 7 productivity tips to help you buzz through your tasks like a pro. We've covered everything from setting goals and eliminating distractions to managing time effectively, taking care of your mind and body, delegating, and rewarding yourself. These are not just tips, they're your stepping stones to efficiency. Embrace them, apply them in your daily life, and watch your productivity soar. Thanks for watching. Remember, don't just be busy, be productive. Now go conquer that to-do list. Hey, before we wrap up, if you've enjoyed our guide to supercharge productivity and want to stay updated with our latest videos, why not subscribe to SmartLife Solutions? Your subscription not only helps you stay ahead of the curve with our insightful content, but it's also a great way to support our channel and help us create more enriching videos. So, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button and join the SmartLife Solutions family. We're here to help you navigate the complexities of life smartly and efficiently. Thanks for watching.